Yo, hello everyone. I haven't done a video in a long time now, but I decided to pick it back on and I will show you how to use Claude for your own game. Since you probably need like 20-30 minutes for every feature, or maybe even longer depending on how hard it is or if you got any problems on it. But with Claude, it's all just one prompt. And I will show you how to use this for your own game. So to start, you first need Claude downloaded or on the web. It doesn't matter. I preferably download it. You can download it here. I'll put the link in the description as well. And first do this. Once you've downloaded it, it should look like this. And let's start with the video now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in my game right now here. And I'm going to want to add another feature. So we got here prism upgrades. I want to do, you can get prisms by standing on this button. So I always do modular. It doesn't matter how you do it. There's a tutorial on my YouTube channel, which also has a framework. This is not that one, but this is basically just a module loader. And yeah. So let's start. Let's create a new module for the prisms. You don't have to make a model like I said. You can also use a script or a local script. All right, let's go to Claude now and write the actual prompt. So we're gonna need, if you stand on a button, that it's gonna do a prism. So what we're gonna do first is write the prompt. So I'm gonna start with like, I want you to make me a module script that just needs to be required. That means basically that it just has to be required and that it will work by itself. So because of my module loader, it will just require it and the script will start. And then next, the actual like what it has to happen in there. Module do so if the player steps on the button, it fires a remote to the server, which is also a module which has to be required. And then if on the prism stat along with a cooldown. So you gotta like describe what you actually want. So you need some kind of knowledge to even do it, I guess. But remotes and all of that stuff should be really easy, as well as cooldowns. Like you can learn all of this in a week, and you can easily like tell them how you can do it. And then next, all right, now we gotta describe where the actual stat is and the button in the actual game. So the prism stat is in my player.data right now. So I'm gonna tell them the stat is in player.data. And then what we're gonna do is dot prism as well. I mean, I said that it is in here, but it will detect it because I've said prism before that this is the actual stat, and then it will just use this. Okay, now we gotta get the button's location. All right, now to the button. I've got a special plugin for this. I've made my own. So what it basically does is if I go into the button and to click generate, it generates a hierarchy of the workspace to the button. So it just shows where it exactly is in the workspace, the path, and this way the AI knows where to get it from. Now once you've copied it, we're gonna go back to Claude and paste this in. Now this will know where the button is, and the AI will detect it and be able to make something with it. And now we're just gonna play send, and let's wait until it's done. All right, now once the AI is done, we're just gonna copy and paste them and put it into the modules. First of all, the client one, prism client, just gonna name it like this. And paste this in here. And now the server. Now the same for the server, just copy it and paste it again. All right, now once you've pasted both scripts, we can click play and let's test it out. So far, no errors. Okay. And let's try to go onto it, and boom, it works. We're getting prisms while standing on it. That is perfect. And that means it worked. So if you want to add more stuff, like you can just make another prompt, do the same thing with the plugin, tell them where it is, and easy go, easy comes. Like you see, I've made this whole game with AI. Let me show you a bit of this. Animation, everything. It's all really good. So yeah, that's how you use Claude